Hi, my name is Sarah.
Hi, my name is Farah.
And hi, my name is Rina.
Don't forget the cosine rule that can be applied for any triangle in the form of ABC. For example, a squared equals to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos A.
So, sine rule is for any triangle ABC, A over sin A equal to B over sin B equal to C over sin C, or sin A over A equal to sin B over B equal to sin C over C.
Hey guys, don't forget about the most important formula for this topic, which is the Heron's formula.
Rina, can you explain how to use Heron's formula? I'm so blank.
Hey Farah, don't worry, I'll explain to you. Step 1, you must calculate the semi-perimeter. S equals to A plus B plus C, which are the length of the triangle, over 2. Then for step 2, substitute the values of S, A, B and C into the following formula. Area equals to square root S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. That's all, Farah. It's kinda easy, you know.
But when, where, and how do we use these formulas that we studied just now?
Are you curious to know? So don't stop the video and keep on watching.
So today on this beautiful day, my friends and I are going to show you some variety of questions regarding of our daily life situation where you can use these formulas to solve the problems.
So what are we waiting, guys? Let's get started.
The diagram on the right shows a children's toy in the shape of a cone and its upper portion is cut off. The surface in the shape of circles, center O and center P are horizontal and the OP axis is vertical. There is a straight line that joins A to C, given OA equal to 5 cm, PB equal to 10 cm, OP equal to 16 cm, and angle BPC equal to 90 degree. Calculate A, the length of AC, B, the area of plane ABC.
Do you guys still remember what is the question mark is? Yes, it's a hypotenuse. But do you guys still remember how to find the hypotenuse?
Okay, so first, we must search the length of OC in order to get the length of AC. We must use Pythagoras theorem, as you can see the reason in the diagram beside. First, you must take the length of OP and PC to sum up and square root it to get the length of OC. Step in order to get the length of AC, you must use Pythagoras theorem, as you can see the reason in the diagram beside. First, you must sum up the total length of AO and OC, then square root it. Make sure to write your final answer in decimal form. Okay, now let's move to the next question. We must calculate the area of plane ABC. So firstly, we must find the length of BC by using cosine rule formula, as you can see the reason in the diagram beside. I hope that everyone has memorized the formula, so we get the answer in decimal point.
So next for step 2, we must find the length of AB. So how to find the length AB? We have length BM, which is 5 cm, and AM, which is 16 cm, as you can see in the diagram there. Then we just need to use Pythagoras theorem there. So how do you use it? AB square equals to BM square plus AM square. So it will become AB square equals to 5 square plus 16 square. Then if you sum up the BM and AM, you will get 281. Then you should square root it. And lastly, don't forget to write your answer in decimal points, which is 16.763 cm.
For step 3, now we have find the length of each line of the triangle. Apply the Heron's formula to find the area of the triangle. This is how to memorize the Heron's formula. First, you must calculate the semi-perimeter by total up the lengths of AC, BC, and AB and divide by 2. Then, substitute the values into the formula to get the area of plane ABC. Don't forget to write your answer in decimal point.
Now let's move on to the next question. The diagram below shows a gift box in the shape of a cuboid. There you can see a cuboid, A, B, C, D, P, Q, R, and S. The question is A. Calculate the area of plane ACQ. Can you see where is plane ACQ? B. Hence, state another plane which has the same area as the plane ACQ. Now, how do you calculate the area of plane ACQ? Don't worry, I will help you. It's so easy. So first, step 1, find the length of line AQ, CQ, and AC. But how do we find those length of lines? It's so easy. You just need to use Pythagoras theorem there. To find the length of line AQ, you should just use Pythagoras theorem by summing up the length of line AB and BQ. Then you will get square root of 52 and you must convert it to decimal point, which is 7.2111 cm. Then same goes to length of line of CQ by using Pythagoras theorem too. By summing up the length of line BQ and BC, then you'll get 10 cm. So now can you guys see how important it is to have a good eyesight and imagination? And lastly, for AC, you should just sum up length BC and AB. At last you'll get 8.94 cm. And guys, don't forget to write your answers in decimal point. So for step 2, apply the Heron's formula to find the area of the triangle. I think you have memorized it as I say it to you like a lot of times. So now going to have S equals to AQ plus CQ plus AC over 2. You'll get 13.0777. Then you should find the area of triangle, so you just square root it, but don't forget to times it with 13.0777, which is S, and you'll get the answer 31.241 cm square. Isn't it easy? So the next question is like kinda easy. So hence take another plane which is the same area as the plane ACQ. Let your imagination just go wild. Okay? So the answer is the shape of the gift box is a cuboid. Hence the line CQ equals to BR, line AC equals to BD, and line AQ equals to DR. So the answer is automatically plane BDR. I've given you the example as you can see. If you don't understand, just put a comment there. Now for the last question, you must this is gonna be a little bit hard, but you can try to do it yourself. So pause the video and see the question. Read the question very carefully. A person rode a bicycle 7 square root 2 km east, and then he rode for another 21 kilometers 45 degrees south of east. Determine the magnitude and direction of the displacement, rounding the direction to the nearest minute. You should absolutely need a calculator to calculate this. So get ready with a calculator now. So now let's see how to solve this question. So for step 1, calculate the measure of the included angle, which is angle ABC. So they have given you outside. So how to find the inside? Easy peasy. You must just minus it with 180 degrees. So you'll get the inside angle, which is 135 degrees. So now for step 2, apply the law of cosine to calculate the length of AC. So I also hope you have memorized the cosine rule. But I've given you an example there, an example. So AC square equals to AB square plus BC square minus 2 times AB times BC times cos ABC. It's kind of difficult, but you must get through it. You're form 4 now. So next, AC square, you just need to substitute all the numbers you have seen in the diagram there at the A, B, B, C, everything. And cos AC, just put 135 degrees there. Then we'll get AC equals to square root of 833. So then we'll get 7 third 17. Don't forget to change the answer to decimal points, which is 28.862 kilometers. That's what you will get if you have the correct answer. Okay, we are close now. So step 3, apply the law of sine. You have already know A is 21, B is 7 third 17, and B is 135 degrees. So have you all memorized the sine rule? So I hope so, guys. If you don't remember it, just rewind the video. So now we have sin A over 21 equals to sin 135 degrees over 7 third 17. Then you should bring the 21 to the other side. That's a simple math you must know by now. And sin 135 degrees is times by 21. And then you will get the answer 30.960 degrees. But it's not the end, guys. Phew, the last step. Step 4, convert the answer in degrees and minutes. Do you guys remember the question? They asked for the displacement and direction to the nearest minute. So you must have a calculator beside you to have this answer. So lastly, we'll get the answer 30 degrees and 58 minutes south of east. So I've given you the current diagram after we add up all of that, and this is the current diagram. I hope you guys understand what I've written here. Yeah, I know you guys will understand.